home by like 5:30.
Yeah.
So you can have supper.
So it'd be like before supper? Or no?
Yeah.
But yeah, money's coming soon, boys. 2024. It's the year.
2022. 2024.
Yeah, I'm gonna go after.
Okay, I'm off.
Alright?
Ciao.
Ciao. So, what is that? That's just a regular Discord call, you're probably thinking. Well, no, it's not. I came up with this genius idea. I wanted to tell you guys this idea that you could do with your friends or boys or girls, whatever, that are working for success. And yeah, it may just seem like a regular Discord call, but what I've realized is what we are striving for is to rent a place, rent an apartment, a condo, a shack, it doesn't matter. Anything, like I said, with four walls where I can bring my computer there and we can work. And the reason why I want to do that is because it's the idea of working with your boys, not being in your parents' house. You have to wake up, get dressed, get out of your house to go to your office with the boys and just work. And it's so good, like Andrew Tate or so many people have pushed working with boys together because it pushes you. Because let's say for now I'm alone and I'm tired, I want to go take a nap or I want to go do this, I want to scroll on my phone. But if you're in a room with boys all working, if I see them working, I'm not gonna not work. I gotta work. It's such a powerful mindset tool. That's all we're striving for right now. And we could do it right now, honestly. I know places, I know like block apartments that are, $500 a month. You split that by 3 guys, that's honestly really nothing. But again, I don't have anything working right now, so that's not really something I want to do. I want to build the foundation of a business first and then do that. But the reason with the Discord is you do that virtually. So I came up with it yesterday. We started today, was our first day, where whenever you're at your desk working, just join the Discord call. Like, look, right now, let me show you. Me and my friend Massimo, we're on the call, we're muted, we're not talking, but it's just the fact of knowing that means we're working. That means we're working and it's motivational. So like, again, let's say I'm upstairs on my couch and I go check Discord and they're all on Discord muted, but that means they're working. That's like, oh fuck, I gotta work. Now, yes, obviously you can cheat and join the Discord with mute and then put your phone somewhere, but you're just cheating yourself. You're cheating your boys. If you would ever think to do that, it'd be dumb. But my point is that it's very important to work, to find a community, to find a group, find your network of boys and just work. And I want to maximize it to as much as possible to hold accountability to everyone. And that's why I created this thing where it's like, just join a Discord call, just join the Discord group. That means you're working. And eventually we'll move out this Discord group to in reality where we actually go somewhere, wherever we rent. I will document that journey 100%. It's gonna be amazing. This year's gonna be so good. I can't fucking wait. Yeah, I'm just gonna I just push out these videos, no edits, not crazy edits, nothing really crazy, because I don't want to spend too much time on my YouTube. It takes a lot of time to do all these good edits. And anyways, I want to be more authentic and more raw and just show the journey. Like, this is where it is. I'm just in my basement, sweatpants and a hoodie, on my fucking computer, just working and figuring it out every day. And that's what it takes. And I don't even want to start making crazy YouTube videos because my life is not exciting. This is what my life is. My life is this, in my basement working. There's nothing to show. There's nothing. It's just this. I just like to document it, like to post it quick, easy for other people to get motivated, for other people to look at the journey, in the future when I've made it and look at these times where it's like, look where he fucking came from. Like I'm no one special. I could do it. I see all other people right now. I've been inspired by this guy. I'm gonna shout him out. Why not? Paul Han. When I first found him, he let me show you the channel. I don't know if he's ever gonna see this. Paul Han. I respect his videos. I respect him. But I followed his channel when he was at 10,000 subs. I'm not even kidding. It's crazy. And right now he's at 76. And the only reason why was because he actually started to see results on his drop shipping business, retired his parents, is living a good life, and that's where his channel blew up. And he's doing the exact same thing, documenting his journey. I see people like this, and that's exactly what I want to do. Where it's like, I don't want to insult him. It's no mean whatsoever, but it's like he's not no one special. He's not some super genius, some super genetic freak. No, he's someone like me who actually lives a city right next to me in Toronto, just doing what I'm doing, and it worked. And it's so motivational to see someone to go back on their old videos, see what they did, see their mindset, who they were, what they were doing. And it doesn't take some crazy edits to just do that. So, again, this was a bit of a rant, but I promise you this year's gonna be the year, man. I'm like, no fucking body, no fucking thing get in my way. I fucking promise you that. Let's go. I'll see you at the top, boys.